Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young woman named Maya. Maya possessed an unwavering dream to become an accomplished artist known far and wide for her breathtaking paintings. However, life had dealt her a difficult hand. She was born with a condition that limited her mobility and confined her to a wheelchair. Undeterred by her circumstances, Maya spent her days immersed in her art. With a paintbrush held firmly in her hand, she unleashed a world of vibrant colors and boundless imagination onto her canvas. Her paintings captured the beauty of nature, the depth of human emotion, and the power of the human spirit. Maya faced countless challenges on her journey. Some doubted her abilities, believing that her physical limitations would hinder her artistry. Yet, Maya's determination only grew stronger. She painted with a passion that radiated from her very soul, infusing her work with an enchanting energy that captivated all who beheld it. One day, news of Maya's talent reached the ears of a renowned art gallery owner named Mr. Harrington. He was intrigued and decided to visit the village to see Maya's paintings for himself. As he entered her modest studio, he was immediately struck by the depth and emotion in her artwork. "Maya," he said, his voice filled with admiration, "your paintings are extraordinary. They have a unique power that speaks to the heart. I believe the world deserves to experience your art." With Mr. Harrington's guidance and support, Maya's paintings soon graced the walls of galleries across the globe. Her story of triumph over adversity inspired countless people, reminding them that true greatness knows no bounds. Maya's success, however, did not come without its share of challenges. She continued to face obstacles, but each setback only fueled her determination to push forward. Her story became a beacon of hope, encouraging others to chase their dreams with unwavering perseverance. In time, Maya's journey came full circle. She returned to her village, not only as a celebrated artist but also as a source of inspiration for generations to come. She established an art school that welcomed aspiring artists from all walks of life, emphasizing the importance of embracing one's unique strengths and channeling them into creative expression. Maya's legacy lives on, a testament to the power of the human spirit to overcome adversity and turn dreams into reality. Her story serves as a reminder that no obstacle is insurmountable, and that with passion, perseverance, and a dash of courage, one can paint their own masterpiece on the canvas of life.